Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. This is just a quick, like a really quick view of stuff that I post on like my Patreon, and I don't really show this on YouTube or my certain thoughts and stuff. But this is just I found this was probably the easiest way to let everybody know. But I am officially putting everybody that watches me, all of my Patreon members. I sent a notification out. I think yesterday or the day before, and then today, as a warning of a potential flash crash. And I think that as of now, I am officially putting us in flash crash territory within possibly the next 2 weeks. I don't think this is. I don't think this is. I don't think this is something that's not gonna. Oh, that's my buddy that I texted because he was holding a shit ton of puts. This is not. This is not a warning anymore. This is a probability, with a very high probability that the market can crash extremely hard within the next 2 weeks. Again, we are at 370. More than likely, this is like a 369 SPY, right? Look at that. It's a 369.23 SPY right now. We already broke major levels on support. I think $365 is guaranteed. This is something that I've been telling my Patreon members. When we broke 390, I told all my Patreon members, 390 broke, 400 broke. I can guarantee you guys 370. Guess what? We just hit that today. 372 broke, this major support here. I can guarantee you guys 365. And as of right now, I can almost guarantee you guys 355. Right? If we actually come down and test these lows, if we go back and test the lows of 365 or whatever they were last, like back in June, I can 99% guarantee you that we're going to $355. I'm officially putting all of us, whoever's watching me, if you take my opinion seriously or my advice, whatever, again, I'm not a financial advisor, right? I just do this stuff for fun. And for fun, this is my position right now. This is my position. I am short as fuck on SPY, the Nasdaq, and Ethereum, right? I am officially putting us in a flash crash territory. And again, this is not a warning. This is something that I am expecting within the next 2 weeks. See you later. Bye.